Have you ever gotten an email that scared the hell out of you? Here's what to do. Hi, I'm Kate at RapidFire IT. Scammers prey on your emotion, especially fear. Now, a lot of times we get an email that scares us and we need to click on it super fast and take care of whatever problem it is. There's a problem with my bank, there's a problem with my domain, there's a problem with my payment solutions. Stop, take a breath. In my last video, we talked about emails and how to find out if it's a real email or if it's a spammy email. Those tips still apply. Take a minute and find out who that email is from. Look and see if there's any attachments, but don't open any attachments. Don't click on any links, but take note of what the email sender's address is, and then reach out to your provider directly and find out if there is actually a problem in your account. If this is Amazon, go to Amazon.com. They have a chat feature. If it's Netflix, if it's your bank, your credit card, reach out to them directly and ask them if there's a problem. Many of them will be aware of any fraudulent alerts that are happening within their organization, and they can tell you whether it is true or fraud. So be careful with your emails out there. Don't let it scare you. Take it one step at a time. Reach out to your IT provider. And if you don't have one, RapidFire IT helps people and businesses like this all of the time, and we'd be happy to help you. Click the link to schedule a consultation. And like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips from RapidFire IT.